Hello everyone, welcome to this two-part series where you will be learning all about creating local mixed reality games. So if you are very interested or if you are keen to know about this new tech and you want to know how this mixed reality game works, then you are at the correct part. Because in the first video, we will be understanding about everything related to creating these co-located mixed reality games. And in the second part, we will be creating this small game demo which you will be seeing right now. To understand about this co-located or local mixed reality experience, let's take a scenario where you and your friend are in a same space, a room, and then you create a new session, you create a new game, and your friend joined that session, and you are playing with each other with this virtual content, assuming that the content is being anchored at the same position. So this concept of local, which is also termed as co-location, so this co-location mixed reality experience is all being based on shared spatial anchors. These anchors are responsible for persistent positioning of your virtual content in the real world. So if you move around with your headset being worn and you move around to your real world and you can see some virtual content being anchored to a specific position and it doesn't move with your headset, so these are all being done using anchors, using these spatial anchors. Now if you share these spatial anchors to each other or a person standing next to you in a real space, now you just understand if something is being shared and which is persistent at the same time, then the experience becomes co-located. Now you both experience that virtual content at a specific persistent point. And using this concept of shared spatial anchor, we create co-located mixed reality games. Now have a quick look at this new Meta developer post, which is named as Seamlessly Power Co-Located Mixed Reality Experiences with Co-Location Discovery and Group Sharing, where they clearly stated that they have introduced new APIs that make it easier to create mixed reality experiences for multiple people in same room. Using these two APIs, now we can easily share this spatial anchor data to each other. Regardless of what we used to do before, we have to use cloud so that if there is any connection failure or anything happens, it loses, and the connection was very tough for a developer point of view also. But now with these two new APIs, it's very seamless for the developers and also for a user perspective, it connects through Bluetooth. So if your headsets are in the same local area network and through Bluetooth, they can share the spatial data to each other, so the experience becomes seamless. So now in this new process of sharing spatial anchor data between headset, one of the headset will act as a host which add group ID to the app data and then will start advertising. At the same time, the other headset will act as a guest and start discovering via Bluetooth. Once he discovers this advertisement by host, he gets the app data and joins that group using group ID. Once both headsets are on the same group, they can easily share across the spatial anchor data to each other. With this process, both the headsets are synced with shared spatial anchor. Now the anchors are being at perfect and correct position for both the users. But for creating local multiplayer games, we need a networking layer so that we can pass information of physics, player turn, RPC calls. We have to do everything to create a small game out of it. So we can use netcode for game object by Unity, or we can use Photon. So now you are ready to create your own local mixed reality experiences. Now you are aware of how to sync these spatial anchors and what to use for creating this mixed reality experience, right? So now if you're interested to know more about this, you can check out this Discord server where you can easily ask any doubt you have regarding AR, VR, MR or anything. Stay tuned for the next video and where you will be trying out a game and I will be sharing you a GitHub project to try this out. Thank you.